everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Look what time of the month it is. OMG, this box is so light. Maybe that means we're getting more makeup. Last month had a lot of hair care, skincare, I don't know, stuff in glass bottles that weighed a ton. This is the reverse. So if you're new, welcome. And if anyone doesn't happen to know what this is all about, this here is the Allure Beauty Box, which I believe the price went up. I don't know. I think it's now $29 a month. But my recommendation and what I do is I pay 6 months at a time, 3 months at a time, I forget. But anyways, I get a discount. Currently, my box is only $23 a month. I have a feeling when I renew in September, it may go up. But I don't care. I'm still going to get it. This box is amazing. If you're interested, I do have a friend referral code in my description. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in. This box does come with a booklet. Spoilers inside. This box will have 6+ products and 3 are guaranteed to be full size. We also, for 7 months in a row, have been able to select a shade of a product. All right, first item, we have something from, is this Benefit? Yep, the Porefessional. I'm just surprised because this has been in boxes since 2015, 2016, whenever it came out. But this looks to be a full size. Is this anything different? Smoothing face primer. Nope. It looks like it's the original. Let's see how much that retails for. Holy cow. Yes, to confirm, this is full size and it retails for $35. Okay. This one product already paid for the box. Next item. What do we have here? This is from Paul Mitchell. It's Bond RX Reparative Oil. Oh, yeah. I have short hair. I get cut very frequently. I don't have damage, but I know a lot of you love hair care products, so this is probably really nice to get in the box. It's 25 milliliters. I don't know. Seems small, but some hair care products, it very well could be full size. All right, to confirm, 0.85 ounces, which is the same as 25 milliliters. The size we got is full size, which is $28. And apparently, someone could have received a 3.4 ounce leave-in treatment, and I got the Bond RX hair oil. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you use hair oils. And let me know, even though my hair is short, could I use a hair oil? For now, I'm just going to set it aside. But, yeah, okay. We have 2 products that weren't very large. Next product as well. Okay. So, this here is from HAUS Labs. It's the Color Rise Glassy Blush Balm. And this is the one where you got to pick your shade. This shade, not gonna lie, is scaring me. She is bright fuchsia, glassy Pitaya. So, I think this is plastic. It gives the vibes of metal and makes you kind of go, is that metal? Could be. No, I just think it's a nicer plastic. And this is what the glassy balm, I'm assuming this is a blush. Hold on. Let me look at the booklet. Maybe it's a product you can put on your lips or your cheeks. I'm going to pick one. And with that color, not going to be my lips. All right. So, yes. The HAUS Labs by Lady Gaga Color Fuse Glassy Blush Balm Stick. That is a mouthful. You could have selected Glassy Pitaya, which is the shade I got. Glassy Lilac or Glassy Rosette. I think I wanted the Rosette. This retails for $34. So this box, I'm telling you, I've only grabbed 3 products. Those were randomly the full size products, and we're already close to $100 value. Not too shabby. All right, let's do a little swatch. Okay, yeah, she's pink, but let's blend it out to see. Okay, it does mellow out, and it does have a subtle shine, not a shimmer, but like a glowy shine. All right, next product. Ooh, I like this brand. What are you? So this is from SKIN&CO, and it's the Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. That tells me nothing. Let's look at the booklet. What's a morning dew? Is that an eye cream, a moisturizer, a primer? All right. It says you'll smooth it over your skin and rinse. Okay, so we got a face cleanser from SKIN&CO. These products, or at least the ones I've tried in the past, smell really, really good. All right, next item. Ooh, yay. It's just a little sample, but these are the Hero Mighty Patch. I say yay because I don't ever like go out and buy these, but when I need to use one, it's fantastic that I get them in subscription boxes. Full size is $17.99, where you get 39 patches. This is a 6-patch sample. Last but not least, ooh, I am super excited. We have a bougie, nice skincare brand. This here is from TATCHA, and this is the Dewy Skin Cream. I know these retail for $22. This is actually a travel sample size that they sell for $22. Let's see how much the full size is. $72 for 50 ml. And we have a 10 milliliter sample. So that's really nice. I've picked these up before in the Ipsy shop for $3.50. That's how I know, because I had to look them up for that video, what these retail for. So how exciting. All right, let's recap everything I got in the July Allure Beauty Box. We got a sample of the SKIN&CO Morning Dew Facial Cleanser, a 6-pack sample of the Hero Mighty Patch, the Porefessional Pore Primer from Benefit, a sample of the TATCHA Dewy Skin Cream, the Paul Mitchell Bond RX Reparative Hair Oil, and the HAUS Labs Glassy Blush Balm Stick. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is a great box. Even though I'm not into hair care products. By the way, let's take it out and see what she looks like. Oh, it's one of those type of packaging where the box is super big, but the product is really tiny. Yeah, product, box. So, as mentioned, not super ecstatic, but dang, this is $28? That's insane. Benefit Porefessional. I'm lucky I don't suffer from large pores. I'm also kind of lazy and don't usually wear a primer. So this one I'm like, meh, but I can set it aside for a giveaway. Now the products I'm super excited about are the Hero Mighty Patch. As I explained earlier, yes, these are great to have on hand. I love SKIN&CO. I need to wash my face, so this should be a nice product. TATCHA is super bougie. I love getting bougie skincare products in boxes. Plus, I have tried that before, and I really like it. Last but not least, I love getting makeup in this box. I love trying products I'm interested in trying, but I know I would never spend the money on myself. So that is super exciting. Plus, I even got to select the shade. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Not that value matters. It does matter, at least to me, that you love and enjoy the products you receive and get at least twice, if not 3 times, the amount you spent on a box. With this box value, I want to say I got at least 4 times that amount. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? Let me know, do you also get this box? If so, what shade of the Glassy Cheek Balm from HAUS Labs did you select? And just leave me a comment because it really does help with engagement. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.